Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've designed a logo. The first process by which I was able to design this logo, to come up with this logo, I designed almost 3 samples. You can check the first video. So to come up with such a design, first of all, I got the name. It's Nexa, a tech company in Australia. It's a fiction company. So I wanted to design a logo, and I got a brief. The brief was saying I design a logo that represents the brand, and then later make some presentation for the client. So now I chose the font. It is Montserrat font. The reason why I chose that font, it is one of the coolest fonts that you can use, because it is balanced, its scanning is good, and that's why I chose to use Montserrat. So the color palette, I chose green, because green portrays a message. If we go into details of technology, that green portrays that message of creativeness, of development, or of innovating something. So that's why I chose green, that it matches the brand or the logo. So first of all, the first artboard, I chose to first write the name and a description, a little description. It is the brand, the Nexa, and the tech company. Just a little description to present to you what I am talking about, what my presentation talks about. So the first artboard, it was the title and the type of the brand, the tech. It is a tech company. And the second artboard, it is where I put the font. I use one font, that is Montserrat, and you can download that font, yes, from various websites from the internet. You just go to Google and you download, you get, yes, you can purchase the font and you have license. For the color, yes, I chose green, as I have explained to you, that green portrays message. That's why this the logo stands out. Yes, it stands out the way you can see on the screen. It's a little bit convincing the viewer of what the brand is. And of course, I didn't have to leave white and black, so I sampled with white and black. Those are the basic colors of in logo designing. You have to sample your logo in white and black, because if it comes to printing on shirts, yes, you can, or if it's embroidery, yes, it is possible. You can print it out. So if I try to outline this, even if it's in outline, it looks good, and that is perfect. So here I try to make some patterns, the logo patterns, Like if we go into details of packaging, you can make patterns of that logo. So this one, the fourth artboard, says I try to portray out that pattern when it comes to making or printing or packaging. Yes, you can use that style of patterning. So I try to show you how you can use patterns with this logo. And 50th artboard, yes, it is the logo. Yeah, this is the logo. And the reason why I carved, I tried to make these shapes with the round corners, because you can, one of the rules of the logo designs, yes, some shapes should not be left sharp with sharp edges. At least you reduce on their sharpness. So by just carving, you can carve them is using this direct selection tool. Yeah. So how I come up with this logo, if you look at this, yes, I tried. If you check my video, you can see where I was able to get this logo from, but it was all about experimenting, yes, and doing various styles, so that I came up with this. So this is, if you look at this, this is the, let me say the shape of N. So if you close right here and here, it is N, so it represents Nexa. And since it is a tech company, in that style, yes, that style, it represents some innovation. Innovation. It is going up. That's the reason why I put this like in this style, when it is portraying or moving upwards, like innovating. We are advancing from ordinary or from traditional to technology. So we are advancing. Nexa, yes, is responsible. One of its main goals is to innovate technology. So the logo simply shows you the innovation, the step by step. So this is an end, but it is shows you that this is the first step, then you go to the next step, then to the third step. We are going forward, we are improving technology, we are innovating things, and that's what the logo represents. So if you go to the icon, yes, this is the app icon. It can be embedded on in apps, actually on the phone or home screen of the phones. Yes, it can be still embedded in some UI kit apps for mobiles and other devices. So I tried to change the color, the green and the other dark blue. Yes, dark blue color, and it came out very good. And still here I did the opposite. Yes, I switched the background to my logo and the tagline, and then I switched back the color of the logo and the tagline to the background, yes, to portray that message. And now here on this, I tried to use some mockups to see whether it can come out, but honestly it came out. Yes, it came out. I know I didn't spend a lot of time designing this, but because I wanted to help my friends here on YouTube to at least have a start, at least know where you can start. These things are possible, and there is nothing you can get, even if you get a template from professional logo designer, or from any graphic designer, still you can fail to do it because you've not practiced enough to master all the fundamentals and even some advanced tools in this program. So now this is Adobe Illustrator that I used to design this. It is one of my favorite programs that I use. Some people use CorelDRAW, but I recommend you to use Adobe Illustrator. It is flexible, and when it comes to vector art, it is legit. Yeah. So the next mockup, I tried to print this logo. You can see this is the first box, the round rectangle, then the small square, and still there's another rectangle here. I tried to print it on the car to see if this logo was supposed to be printed as the company wanted on their vehicles. Yes, on their vans. Yeah, it came out, by the way, clean. It is clean and beautiful. So guys, that is what I had for you today, and feel free to subscribe on my channel for more of this. I'm going to be dropping. I'm going to design so many logo styles from scratch, and I wish you guys at least spend some time and watch my videos. You will see that these things are possible by experimenting. Yes, if you are somebody who can use a notebook or what to first draw using your book, yes, that one is also helpful. But still, if you just want to use this program, yeah, you can use it by experimenting. But here it requires at least a little bit when you are used to this program and you're flexible. My gears, I have a Wacom Intuos that I use, and my setup is just, I have a Core 5, yes, a Core 5, 8th generation, Intel 8th generation. I have RAM is 16 GB of RAM, and storage, the SSD, I have SSD 256 gigabytes, and even another 1 terabyte for a hard drive just to save there my files. And I've got an external drive that I always move with, where I keep my files if I want to show some clients if I'm moving somewhere. Yes, it is easy for me, at least if a client or if anyone asks me for what I design, yes, I can just give them my hard drive, and they'll be able to view my work if they don't have internet. So guys, thank you for watching. Yes, I'm C. Yes, I'm called C 3.0. Yeah, that is my channel. You can call me C. Yeah, that's all guys, what I had for you today. Thank you for watching. May God bless you.